Is your brother color laser printer not printing quite right? Are the printouts coming out all bumpy and wrinkled? If you touch the toner on the paper, does the toner rub off just as it does here with my finger? Go to the back of your printer. Open the rear door. Open the inner rear door pulling on these green tabs. Now look at the black roller that is above the red rubber roller. Here you will see the upper fuser roller and how it has split open. It's black on the outside and red on the inside. This roller is heated to 200 degrees Celsius and eventually through normal wear and tear it tears open. This is the roller you must replace to return your brother printer back to its like new out-of-the-box printing. Click Buy Now. We ship worldwide for free. When your roller arrives you can then follow our step-by-step video showing you how to replace successfully.